Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the first Sunday in the month of April, and this is where I do my First Lady in Fashion. Today's episode is based on Melania Trump. These episodes are not to start a debate on Democrats and Republicans, but to show you the First Ladies who have graced our nation with their fashion. So today's is Melania Trump. I'm going to put a picture of the inspiration picture up here. Now I am also going to put pictures of the dress that I have up here, a Vogue pattern. I'm outside because I wanted you guys to see the beautiful dress in the light, and I left the pattern on the inside, but I will put a picture of the pattern up here as well as the pattern number. This pattern is definitely what you would call a fabric hog, H-O-G. It uses about 9 yards of fabric. Most of the fabric is for the skirt. It is very full. Now, my opinions of this pattern is it is marked as advanced, and I am truly supporting that. It is advanced. So this was out of my league, but I wanted to try it. I will make this dress again because I think at the end of the day it is really beautiful. What I had the most difficult time with was the instructions, and I just feel like that's just based on where I'm at in my sewing journey, so therefore it was more difficult than I anticipated. The bottom of the skirt it's a little challenging for me just because I feel like I didn't totally understand the instructions, so I kind of went on what I usually do, putting pieces together as I see that they look between my knowledge of what I do have versus what the picture looks like. So I feel like it, as much as it does look like the picture, that I still had difficulty with this pattern and the bottom, and apparently nobody on YouTube has made this dress. If they have not put it on YouTube. But anywho, I'm going to figure it out. The bottom is what you're seeing is actually just pinned up because I really like this dress and I'm really feeling this dress. I don't want to jack up the hem, and I really want to take the time to really just get at it and figure it out, and I will. But I wanted to show you guys the dress, so I pinned the hem up so it could look presentable for you guys. And it's a little wops out. Like I got a little high going up on one end. Let's see if I can show you. On this end it's a little high. On this side it's a little long. So I made some mistakes, but like I said, however, I want to fix them. Well, yeah, this is a really short video. I really hope you guys are enjoying the series. Melania Trump is, if I'm not mistaken, a former model, so she has so many views to choose from, but this is just one of them. So she may be one of the people that I feature in the special episodes throughout the year, where I just do an episode based on one of their looks and throw it out there. But anywho, I like the dress. I really do. I am really looking forward to being able to understand the instructions better. Like I said, I feel like that's something that would just come with time as I grow and become a stronger and better sewist. But if you are an advanced sewist, I highly recommend this dress if you can get past the amount of fabric that it takes. Like I say, it's close to 9 yards of fabric. It was like 8 yards and some change. I think it is a beautiful design. You can see this right here. I needed to press this down, but I just think this is a beautiful design. This fabric came from Bulgarian Fabrics in France. That's where I get bulk fabric from. And this was a 10-meter piece. And I actually had, what meters are bigger than yards, so I actually had some left over. So I'm thinking, once I figure the hem out, that I may make like one of the granddaughters a dress to match or whatever. So that's what, because I do have some left over. I will, like I said, I want to make this again because I do have another 10-meter piece that I was like, what am I going to do with this? And I feel like this dress is really great. I feel like it's really great for the summer. It's really great for like a evening out or for church or any special occasion. I feel like you could really dress this dress up. I like it. I like the fullness. I I like how it cinches in the waist and comes out. That's something that's just flattering on my body type, my shape. So I guess that would be another reason why I'm in love with the dress. But anywho, like I say, I recommend it if you're an advanced sewer. I really do recommend it. If you read through the instructions and you understand it, I recommend it for you as well. It's just I had difficult figuring out at the end of the day how I was going to hem it. Like I figured out how it made the little triangles at the bottom of the dress, but at the end of the day I didn't figure out exactly how to hem it. So I guess that's kind of where I'm stuck at, because it's kind of like a whoo, 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 whoo. And it really reminds me those dresses back in the day. I want to say like late 80s, early 90s, the bubble dresses. That's what it really reminds me of when I'm at the bottom of the skirt. So, and part of my problem probably came from me not creating a lining. And I didn't create a lining because I felt like my material was thick enough, but also the lining could be the problem with my hem, because at the end of the day, I probably was supposed to join those two together and turn it inside out, and that would have created the balloon effect, which now that I'm talking to you, I'm certain that's where I messed up. So anywho, I hope you guys like this dress. I hope you like this episode. I will see you guys next month for First Lady in Fashion. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week. As always, I want you to know you are so important to me. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.